Hello! Today I will be showing you the cheapest and famous stores here in Japan, and I am now in Daiso, and I will be showing you their top selling products, so just relax there. Daiso is often called the Japanese dollar store and is Japan's biggest 100 yen store chain. Currently, it has 3,000 locations throughout the country. And today, we are at Kinsecho Daiso, where I will be showing you their unique, cute, and good quality top-selling product, such as their stationaries. Sinindot sila ang mga stationery items. Nasuwat na ko, besh. Like, kiri. Dear Charo, ako lang ang isang babae nakatira sa Japan and gusto ko na pong maging artista. Kitsa. These are origami papers. It's very famous here in Japan, so that's why they have a lot here. So cute, look. They're all erasers. Super cute. The next top-selling product of Daiso are their phone accessories. So, you can also find like camera tripod. So, barato ra siya, besh. And they have good quality. So, just also like this one. You have that. And their dispenser bottles. So in Daiso Japan, they also have this product called vacuum seal. If your suitcase is full already, you can use this one. And yeah, masigot na daw na imuhang butang sa imong suitcase. And in this video, I will be attaching a link that will help you how to use this kind of product. And they're cute fake food souvenirs. Daiso has top-selling cosmetic products to offer, such as fake eyelashes, manicure and pedicure tools, makeup brushes, puff sponge detergent, and their whitening essence, which is good for wrinkles and spots. And they have watches, which is only 500 yen. And lastly, their Japanese hanko stamped souvenirs. This item is a personalized seal that you can bring back from Japan for your loved ones. We are finished in Daiso, so this time we're moving on to another store that is called Don Quijote, one of the famous stores here in Japan. So let's go and check it out. Don Quijote is also one of the most popular shop souvenirs among foreign visitors in Japan. The recommended products to shop are Kit Kat, Ichiran Instant Ramen. Just for a trivia, Ichiran is the most popular ramen restaurant here in Japan. So, for a pasalubong, for a present, or for a souvenir, kadaghan sa doy. So, just have this one and buy it. So, I showed you the price already. Cute socks. So, just like Daiso, Don Quijote also is selling a lot of cute socks, Japanese character socks. Just like these. And it's a bit expensive than in Daiso. So here, it's like 998. In Daiso, it's just like 108 yen. So very, very different. Poki. Color contact lens. Japanese anime costumes. Household items. Electronic products. And more. In Japan, this product is very, very famous. These are called steam eye mask. This will help you feel sleepy. Kanang makatugid kag kanang murag bata ba? Sleep like a baby. I have this one at home actually. And in the chabesh, init siya sa imong mata gud. And kita ko ni Chris Aquino sa iyang vlog sa YouTube ay. This is what she's using. She likes this one very much. So you can also buy this one. And you can also buy here weird toys, just like this. So in Don Quijote, there are still more things to buy, things to see. I just showed you a few things, but actually if you come here, you will see a lot more branded things, more cheaper things than other stores. So I would recommend you to visit Don Quijote also. And the things that I showed you are the items that are quite popular in this store. So check it out and also buy it. They're nice items. They're good items. They have good quality items made in Japan. Pure. So goodbye and see you next time.